Alright, so I would like to show you how to fix a video issue that we're experiencing in Drupal. When we train people on how to add videos to a page, we train people to add them like photos or images. And so maybe that was going to show up in the middle of the page, in the body. Basically, we just trained you to add it as if you were adding an image in line with the text. Now you kind of need to treat it as its own little container, a video container of sorts. The reason why is because something has happened either in YouTube or in Drupal. We can't quite figure it out, so this is why we came up with a workaround. But you'll see here that it's not respecting its boundaries. So this gray box here is actually where the video should be showing up, but it's extending that, bleeding off the page, so to speak. And then it's also not acting responsibly. So in general, it's just not behaving nicely. So we're going to show you how to change that. So if you see a video that doesn't seem to be behaving properly, it's because you'll need to change the way you've added your video to your page. So now I'm going to go ahead and log in. And it recognizes me from a previous session. Go back to that page. And again, you can see that it's here on the right-hand side. The first thing you'll do is hit Customize Display because it is and it needs to be in its own container. Click on Content. My video is currently in this box here. I'll click on Edit. Grab that URL just in case I don't have it. So I hit Control or Command C or Control C if you're using a PC. And I'm going to get rid of this video in this pane. I'm going to hit Save. Now you see the asterisk, so I might as well be safe and click Save because I want to make sure the changes I made to the page are saved. So again, I'm going to go back to the view. Right now, this gray box call out in the right hand column is the size that it should be. We're going to put the video underneath it just to show you how to add it. Click on Content, upper left hand corner, click on Add Content. And most of the time, 99.9% of the time, we would ask you to use Add Text. But now we also need to tell you to use Add Video when you're using videos. And this is for anywhere on the page. You click on Browse, and even though the video is already in our Drupal system, it doesn't really save it the same way Images does. There's no harm in adding it again. So this is the YouTube code that I grabbed from the video. Click on Next. And there's really nothing to do at this point. You can click Save. And the asterisk indicates that there's still some saving to do, so I'm going to hit Save again. View the page. Now it's showing up in the right-hand column in the size that it's supposed to be. It's small for the sake of showing you what's happening here, but you'll see it's not extending past that. Now, probably a better way to show what happens is if I would have clicked on Edit here, and then the way we originally taught you how to do videos is to just go ahead and add the video in the body. You may remember this. Click Save, and now you'll see it's really conflicting. It's underneath the video storage tip and the other video. We of course don't need both videos, but this is all to show you that adding the video that way is just not going to work anymore. So in that, if you wanted it at the top of that page or somewhere anywhere in this page, what you'd have to do is add another pane to this middle column area, or since we already have it, you can move it here, and then we'll need to edit it out, delete it out of here. And now the video is a bigger size, perhaps the size that you were hoping for, and it's in the middle column, so it just needs to have its own container. And that wraps it up.